Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I created this look. But before we get into it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new and you like my content, and comment below if you have any questions about this hair, about this look. This hair is from Yolisa Hair. I'm so obsessed. And this is gorgeous. Look at the edges. Look at this. They did not miss with this wig. All the details of this hair will be in the description box below. Let's get into installing this wig. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Okay, so to start this install off, I'm gonna be doing the bald cap method using this Ebin spray. I'm gonna be using Pro Conceal to blend the bald cap to my complexion. Make sure you're using a shade darker. That will help the lace look more natural. So a little bit about this wig. It is in the color P4/613. The texture is body wave and it is a 13x4 transparent lace wig. It is 24 inches. It's 180% density and the cap size is small. I also wanted to show you guys what the original curls looked like. This is the original body wave curls before I bleached the knots and washed the wig. Guys, when I tell y'all, I was so excited to get this particular wig because I really love the way they highlighted this wig. From the way that the roots look to the highlights, it's seriously one of the prettiest highlighted wigs I've ever gotten. It was so easy to install. The lace was easy to work with. Blending it, everything was smooth. As you can see, I'm doing the install a little bit different than I normally do. I cut the lace and I'm adding the glue onto the edge of the bald cap. This has made my installs a lot easier. I also like to go in with the rat tail comb to press on the wig, and I use my hands. I even use the comb part to make sure any flyaway pieces or any pieces that are stuck to the glue are nicely pushed back. I decided that I'm going to do a side part today. Make sure you also part the back so that it covers the tracks. I'm going in with my hot comb section by section. This allows the wig to lay really flat. You don't only want to hot comb the area that you're parting, but you also want to go in section by section and go in with your wax stick to make sure that the flyaways and the parting just lays even flatter. So I'm doing that on this side as well. Just this step is so important in making sure that your wig just really lays flat. In order to get that wig to really melt, you gotta spray that lace with your Ebin spray, which is what I'm doing to create that melt effect, and I'm adding the headband onto the wig. While the spray was drying, I put on some makeup and I took the headband off. I do my baby hairs the same exact way every single time. I just take little pieces on each section and I'm going to hot comb the pieces of the baby hairs that I want to work with. You don't want to overdo it with baby hairs. That is the quickest way to make your lace wig look fake. I like to take little pieces and work with that, and I hot comb it so that way the hair stays in place, and I cut it in a slant as I am doing so. So for this install, I used the Ebin spray to lay my baby hairs, and I noticed a huge difference in how long the baby hairs stayed in place and how easy it was to work with. It was a little sticky at first, but it was a lot easier to work with, and the baby hairs stay in place all day, literally all day. So try this method of doing your baby hairs this way, and you will notice a difference in how your baby hairs just will not move the entire day. I'm gonna go in with some concealer to straighten my part, and this is how my edges look, guys. Doesn't it look really good? And I'm going in with my bronzer to get the edges even more blended, and now we're about to curl the hair, honey. So I'm using my Tresemme heat protectant, and I'm gonna comb through my hair, and we're gonna begin curling. If you guys want a more detailed video on how I create these exact curls, please click the link in the bio. I will add a video on how I create these exact curls. So now that I'm done with the curls, I'm gonna add in some layers. If you guys want a detailed video on how I add layers onto my wigs, then comment below and I'll make a separate video about that. But typically all I do is make sure that the front is a lot shorter than the back of the wig, and I cut it in a slant as I am doing so. When I'm done cutting my layers, I go in with a wide tooth comb to comb out the curls. Combing out the curls is the final step to really seeing how the wig looks like, and it really makes the curls look more voluminous and big and beautiful. So I go in with hairspray for the final step to make sure the curls stay in place, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and this whole entire video. Please be sure to like, subscribe to my channel if you're new, comment below if you have any questions, and I will see you guys on my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye. Bye, guys.